In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how we made $127,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. I'm going to show you step by step how we can start affiliate marketing for beginners who are new to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you guys step by step how we can start and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end because you don't want to miss this free information that I'm gonna share in this channel. Okay, let's get started. So I started this business from December 2021, as you can see, until today. I'm still doing this business, it's still profitable, and I'm gonna click over here on 12, and as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, so to start making money with this business, it's Fiverr affiliate. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, like this, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, just come to this page, scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see over here. Okay, what you need to do next, just click over here on become an affiliate. Okay, like this, and it's gonna take you to this sign up process page. As you can see, what you need to do next, just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go to Pinterest. Okay, so you should have an account on Pinterest, a business account, not personal account. You need to open business account. If you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, just go to Google, search for Pinterest. Okay, so just search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so what you need to do next, you will go to Pinterest trend. Okay, so let me show you. Go again to Google, search for Pinterest trend. Okay, click on the first link over here, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so we will use Pinterest trend to see what's trending right now in Pinterest. Okay, so we will see what's trending, which products are trending, which services are trending right now in Pinterest, so we can promote those products, so we can use those products or services and promote those products that are trending to get commission, because you cannot promote any services or any products. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for on Pinterest. Okay, so go to Pinterest trend, select the country that you want to target. So for me, I'm gonna choose United States. I will scroll down, and as you can see, those are top trends in United States this month. Okay, nails, Valentine's days. So I see that. So as you can see, Valentine days is trending. Okay, also those, this one, Valentine's gift for boyfriend. I will click on this one, so let me see, and I will click over here on date range. I will select just 3 months. Okay, and as you can see, it's trending, guys. Okay, this Valentine uh, keyword is trending right now in Pinterest. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so what I will do, as you can see, and it's trending, this one, it's in United States. Okay, Pinterest trend in United States. So what I will do, Valentine's gift. Okay, I will go to Fiverr. Okay, go back just go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for Valentine's Day. Okay, so this one is trending and you should start promoting this service right now in Pinterest. Okay, search for Valentine's Day, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, so for example, I think this one is really looking good. This one too, level 1 seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. So just click on his service. Okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, click over here. Okay, and add this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you just need to go back to Pinterest. Okay, go back to your Pinterest homepage, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. What you need to do next, you need to upload a picture about this service. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr and you will click on his picture. So just click on his picture, this picture like this, double click, save image. Okay, save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna save it, I'm gonna name it just Fiverr. And what you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest, you will click here. Okay, and you will upload this picture. Okay, so let me find this picture. Fiverr, so this is the picture about Valentine's Day. This can be really so for people who want uh, to give a gift for their boyfriends or girlfriends, they will be interested to buy this service. Valentine's Day is very close, that's why this service is trending on Pinterest. Okay, that's why you should start promoting this service. Okay, so let's go back to Pinterest to finish this. Upload your picture, scroll down, you need to put here title, go back to this seller page on Fiverr and copy his title. Okay, just copy this title like this, go back to Pinterest, put this title over here. So description, go back to this seller page. Okay, and scroll down, keep scrolling down about this gig. This is his description. Okay, so what you will do, need professional. Okay, you just need to copy this keyword. Okay, I'm gonna copy just those keyword like this, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Okay, like this, scroll down. So what you will do next, you will put your affiliate link here. Okay, so you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, and as you can see, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short. I will go and I will use this website. You can go and search for this website on Google. This website make long links short. You can search for this one, we can search for Bitly. They are the same, they are making long links short. You just need to put your affiliate link here and click over here on shorten, and this affiliate link will be short link. So you just need to copy this affiliate link from here like this, and you will go back to Pinterest, you will put this affiliate link here. So for me guys, I have all the Pinterest accounts, my account will not get banned. I got some comments in my last videos. They are saying that Pinterest will ban your account if you put direct affiliate links. So I did some research and I found a lot of people, they are putting direct affiliate links on their Pinterest account and they are still making this, using this method, and promoting affiliate links like this. Okay, if you have new account, you need to promote just one service. Okay, one service per day. You need to promote just one affiliate link per day. Okay, if you have old Pinterest account, you will not get banned. Okay, so for me, I'm already using Pinterest for like almost like 5 years. Okay, I didn't get any issue with this. Okay, if you have new account, just try to post just one affiliate link per day. If you got any issue, you need to create an affiliate website. Okay, and you need to put your affiliate links in this affiliate website. Then you will put this affiliate website link in your pins on Pinterest. Okay, it's easy. You just need to go to YouTube, search for how to create an affiliate website, and you will just need to follow a few steps, and that's it. So put your affiliate link here, scroll down, click over here on choose a board. So you just need to choose a board. I already have a lot. You can just click over here. If you are new, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. It's super easy. So I will choose just this one. I have already a lot. And what you will do next, you will put here tags. Okay, so how we can find those keywords? You need to go to Fiverr, to this Fiverr profile page. Okay, and scroll down, keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down until you find those related tags. Okay, copy those keywords, make sure to use all those keywords. Go back to Pinterest, put those keywords here like this, go back to the seller page, copy those keywords. Those are very important. Okay, and make sure to use the maximum keyword as you can. Okay, like this. What you will do next, just click over here on publish, and here you go. As you can see, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. Okay, your affiliate link will be, this is your affiliate link, and this is your title, this is your description. Okay, so people who are searching for this Valentine's gift for boyfriend on Pinterest right now, it's trending in United States. As you can see, guys, I'm not giving you anything from my head. Okay, I'm just using what's trending. This is the method that I'm using to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest and earn a lot of commission. Okay, so make sure, so that's it. I share with you everything. So I'm not using just Pinterest, I'm using Twitter, YouTube Shorts, Facebook to promote my affiliate links, and also I'm using Pinterest. Pinterest also has a lot of traffic. So let me show you. If we click over here, so let me show you. You can see over here Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitor. Okay, and it's ranking in country ranking in United States in 24, category rank number 9, and monthly visitors 1 billion visitor per month. There are a lot of traffic you can get from Pinterest. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's all I can share with you. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.